Hello students, I am Shalini Srivastava. I am working as an assistant professor in Babu Banasi Das University, Lucknow. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the topic of Introduction of Values, which covers under Business Ethics and Human Values paper. The paper code is BBA AB 4502. This entire presentation covers certain topics like introduction of value, definition of values, concept of values, types of values, and formation of values. Introduction of value. What are values? Values are deeply held beliefs that guide our behaviors and decisions. They reflect what is important to us and are the principle by which we live our lives. Why are values important? So values shapes our character, influence our choice and determine our responses to situations. They play a crucial role in building relationships, creating community, and maintaining societal order. Designing values. Values can be defined as a enduring belief or standard that individual or groups hold in high regards, influencing their actions, attitude, and judgments. Characteristics of values. Values contain so many characteristics like universal yet personal. While some values are universally recognized, each individual has a unique set of personal value. Enduring. Values tend to remain stable over time, though they can evolve with new experiences. Guiding principle. Values provide a framework for making decisions and resolving conflict. Concept of values. Value as a framework for life. Values serve as a foundation for ethical behavior and personal integrity. They offer a sense of purpose and direction in life. Role in identity formation. Values are integral to our identity. They define who are, who we are, and what we stand for. Cultural and societal influence. Values are influenced by the culture we live, shaping societal norms and expectations. Types of values. Values can be categorized into so many types on the basis of their different roles in our life. Personal value, cultural value, moral value, societal value, economical value. Personal value covers individual beliefs that guide our daily behavior. Cultural value covers shared beliefs within a community that reflect cultural traditions and norms. Moral values. Moral values contain principles overcoming what is right or wrong, often influenced by ethical, religious, or philosophical teaching. Social values, expectation for behavior within the society, contributing to social order and cohesion. Economic values, beliefs related to material wealth, resource allocation, and economic practices. Personal values. Personal values are the beliefs and principles that guide individual behavior and decision making. How are they formed? They are formed basically by shaping family upbringings, personal experiences, and individual reflections. Examples of personal values are honesty, the value of being truthful and transparent, ambition, the drive to achieve personal goal, and responsibility, the commitment to fulfilling obligations. Cultural value. Cultural values are the collective beliefs that our group or society hold regarding what is important, meaningful, and desirable. Influence on behavior. Cultural value influence social norms, rituals, and traditions within a community. Example of cultural values are respect for elders, common in many Asian countries where elders are revered and their wisdom is valued. Individualism, emphasizing in Western culture where personal freedom and independence are highly valued. Moral value. Moral values are principle that governs a person's decision about what is right and wrong. Sources of moral values are often rooted in religious teaching, ethical philosophy, or social law. Example of moral values are integrity, justice, compassion. Integrity contain adherence to moral and ethical principle, maintaining honesty and fairness. Justice contains the pursuit of fairness and the protection of rights for all the individuals. Compassion contains empathy and concern for the well-being of others. Formation of value. Family influence, education and social institutions, life experiences, the dynamic natures of individual. There are so many factors which help to form the values in any individual. Family is the first social environment where values are imparted through upbringing and observations. Education and social institutions like school, religious institutions, and social organizations plays a significant role in value formation. Life experiences, personal experiences, challenges, and reflections shape and sometimes after our values and alter our values. The dynamic nature of value. Value can evolve as individual grow, encounter new experiences and adapt to changing environment. Thank you so much.